In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to Tradingview. Start by opening Tradingview and loading any chart. It doesn't matter which symbol you pick right now. The goal is just to have a chart open so you can access the trading tools. Make sure you are signed into your Tradingview account and that your internet connection is stable. Since we'll be authorizing a secure link to your broker in a moment. Look to the bottom of the screen for the Trading Panel tab. Click it to expand a panel that sits beneath your chart. This is where Tradingview brings brokerage connections together. So you can place orders and manage positions from the same place you analyze the market. Inside the trading panel, click the option that says Connect to another broker. This opens the connection workflow. You'll see a list of supported brokers appear. Scan the list to find your brokerage or use the built-in search if it's available. Make sure the broker you choose matches your region and account type. Since availability can vary by location and account category, when you see your broker, click Connect. A secure pop-up window will appear asking you to sign in and grant permission for Tradingview to connect. This window is provided by your broker. Sign into your brokerage account and approve the connection request. For your privacy and security, only enter your credentials in the official broker window and avoid using public networks during this step. If the pop-up doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. After you approve access, complete any required two-factor authentication. Have your authentication device or app ready so you can verify quickly. Once the authorization is successful, you'll be brought back to Tradingview, and the trading panel will update to show your account details. You should see your account balance, any open positions, and your connection status. If you have multiple accounts with the same broker, double-check that the correct one is selected in the panel. That's it. Thanks for watching.